Hello traders, this is Forex Nelson and I'm back again today with another 5 trades. Today's date is February the 19th and I'm using my brand new Forex Scalper trading system. This system has the Forex Scalper, that's this moving average that changes from red to blue. It also has the arrows, they're called the super signal indicator. Now you will get an audio sound and this pop-up box here suggesting to buy and or sell. It also has moving averages on the top along with the oscillating indicators down here at the bottom. Now every morning at 6 o'clock, right where this vertical line is, I'm in front of the computer checking out the continuation of the London session into the New York session. I'm looking at all the different instruments, Forex and futures, and I also take a look at my daily trade plan, and once I make a decision I want to be buying and or selling, I'll manually put in this white arrow. Now here is my daily trade plan. It's running in real time, checking the monthly time frame all the way down to the 30 minutes, and then within the comments here it'll make a suggestion. Look for bearish trades, bullish trades. Some will be preferred, and sometimes either not enough strength or waiting for clear direction. In other words, just gotta wait a bit and see if it's going to turn red or blue. Now if you're trading without any kind of a daily trade plan, well, that is one good reason why you are still struggling. Now, if you have any questions regarding this daily trade plan, well, just get in contact with me. Okay, now we can take a look at these trades. First one here is the NASDAQ. Let's just drag and drop this up, see where I got in at. Now, obviously, if I stayed in a trade, I would have made a lot more. But all I do is I look down at the bottom, and when I have 200 pips and or ticks, today it appears to be all ticks, and keep in mind that as soon as I get 200 or more, and for sure I got way over 200, so I'm happy. I don't care what I leave on the table, and you can trade using my Forex Scalper trading system anything that your broker offers you, and if you can get it into the Market Watch on the MT4 platform, remember, only works on MT4, not MT5, well, then you can trade using my Forex Scalper. So I took the money, divided it by 20 as it pays $20 each tick, and calculator says it's 15. So down at the bottom, if I stayed in a trade, that's 90. But I was more than happy with the 15, and there it is right there. 15 ticks paying out $306. Okay, let's move on to the next trade I did. Dow Jones. Let's drag and drop this up, see where I got in at. Looks very similar to the previous trade. This market did a move and all that. After a bit of sideways action, I knew, coming from the chart reading, indicators on the top and the bottom, everything was good to go. So that's exactly what I did. Sold it. And of course, from this point to this point, let's see, the calculator, since it pays $5 for each tick, calculator says it's 64. And there it is right there. My mouse is jumping around here, but it's 64 right there. 64 ticks paying out $320. Okay, let's move on to the next trade I did, the S&P 500. Another one, looks very similar. Matter of fact, the first three right here, they all qualified for a great way to trade. I teach exactly how to trade this way. in the video called A Great Way to Trade. So we're going to drag and drop this up. See where I got in at. Pretty much the same time. Took all the trades before 8:30 and closed them all out around 10, before 10 o'clock it looks like. So I took the trade at this point. What did I say? Took the money, divided by 5. Calculator says it's 67 approximately. There it is right there. 67.4. That's close enough. 0.8. Anyhow, it's 67 we'll go with. And those ticks paid out $337. Okay, let's move on to the next trade, which is Russell. Russell pays $10 for each tick, so looking at the money, easy to see this should be 42. So let's drag and drop this up. So every trade looked, so far, looked identical. Did qualify for a great way to trade. Everything, the scalper, daily trade plan, same as all the 3 trades before. Got the signal from the super signal arrows. And so now we're looking for, should have got out at the bottom, but that would have been 93, and I'm glad I got out, locking in those 42 ticks, and that paid out $420. Okay, moving on to the last trade, which happens to be the DAX 30, and on this day it's clearly, you can see it moved, it paid the most, that's for sure. So on the DAX 30, I dropped it down to the 5 minutes because it's very hard to get a good reading on it. Let's drag and drop this up. Let's see where I got in first of all. Arrow from the super signal, daily trade plan, everything screaming top and bottom. Scalper, whatever, everything perfect. So I just got in. Would have been better back here, but this is where I saw it, right here at this cursor. We're looking for calculator. Took the money, divided by 3.75. $3.75. That's what it pays for each tick. So we're looking for 915. 900. That's a lot more than the 200 I'm looking for every day. And that's as close as I can show. Probably have to go down to the 1 minute to get it right on, but it is 915. And all of those ticks paid out $3,431. Put it back to the 15 minutes. I got in here. That's where the arrow is. Got out here. Could have made more. Probably about 40% more if I stayed in a trade. But I don't know about you, but you know, I'm very happy with the totals. And I knew for sure it's going to be over 200 pips or ticks. Grand total came to 1,105. And all of those ticks paid out $4,814. So if your trading's not producing good results like my Forex Scalper, well, I recommend you get the Forex Scalper. Don't forget about the daily trade plan. Also recommend a FibMaster tool. And if you get in touch with me, I can tell you some other things I highly recommend. Now to get in touch with me, it's quite simple. Look right below this video in the description. You'll get my contact information plus a lot of other information. Now you can pick up the phone and call me directly. I answer the phone most of the times, unless I'm busy, of course. Now if you cannot call me, well, just send me an email. Just to let you know, I prefer talking live, and I prefer to use Skype, which will allow me to do that. I made a link, a Skype invite. All you got to do is click on it. Even if you think you don't have Skype, you click on it, we'll have a Skype connection, whether it's a computer, desktop, laptop, iPad, cell phone. We will have a Skype connection, and after that, we, or at least I, should be able to answer most of your questions. Now, right below this video, you'll see 4 different packages. And one of the 5 things that you're going to need to succeed at trading is a lot of education. Recommend getting as much as you can afford, because by the time you do succeed, you're going to need a fair amount of it. And so I made an special offer. You buy 2 packages, I'll give you one of the other 2 for free. Well, I guess that just about wraps up today's trading and this video. And of course, if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. So until the next trading day and video, I want to wish you good luck with your trading, and remember to keep yourself and your family safe. Okay, bye for now.